Sat down on the stool and got the lowdown from the guy with the drool. He was playing pool and he thought he was good, cause he bet me 5 times he could sink him with his foot. He grabbed a stick, tried to kick it with his heel, did a sick backflip and ended up full kneel. He didn't squeal but it looked like it hurt, and it did, cause he took me for my cash and my shirt. I got work, but what's worse than that was just as he was leaving he tipped his hat. Then he laughed, he said, "I'm sorry about your luck." When he walked out the door, he got hit by a truck.
Aces and eights, aces and eights, aces and eights. That's a dead man's hand. Aces and eights, aces and eights, aces and eights. That's a dead man's hand. Aces and eights, aces and eights, aces and eights. That's a dead man's hand. Aces and eights, aces and eights, aces and eights.
About the guy used to hang in the clubs, getting all the numbers and getting all the love. He didn't wear gloves, he was too hardcore. May he rest in peace, we don't see him anymore. Lots of stories and old cliches, small town girls.
I think I dislocated my arm.